Title of poem is Twins. Poet of the poem is Henry Sambro. Rhyme scheme AB CD cross pitch. Alliteration hyperbole. Central idea. This is a funny poem about identical twins. The poet explains his sadness. What's the fact that she had always been. Second part is brother. Title of the poem is You Start Died Slowly. Poet of the poem is Pablo Neruda. Rhyming scheme. There is a no rhyming scheme. Cross pitch. Antithesis repetition. Central idea. The poet is telling us to new things every day and avoid negative thoughts. And we be always positive. We should enjoy each and every moment of your life. Title of the poem Basket Full of Moonlight. Poet of the poem Srini Sharma. Rhyme scheme Reverse Cross pitch Alliteration apostrophe. General idea. Theme of the poem The wish of the child. Guide of this village road. Using moonlight to make traveling easier for the people in the village. An expression for his love of this father. Title of the poem Teenager's Prayer. Poet of the poem James. Rhyming scheme ABCD. Figure of speech alliteration apostrophe. Idea. Weather is very important in person's life. Because in that time, the person decide the path of future. If the person choose right path, then he will be successful. And if he will choose wrong path, the person will fail. So the teenagers pray to God to show the right path.